So here we are on my Twitter profile. Don't forget to follow me if you aren't already. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe as well. So what are the 5 biggest mistakes I see all too often in people's Twitter bio? So mistake number 1 I see, and it's quite common, all centers around your profile name and your username. You can see I'm highlighting both of them with my mouse at the moment. Now, profile name is the big one in bold, Mark Warnken. Now, literally, many people can have the same profile name. There could possibly hundreds, thousands, or even tens of thousands of people could have a same profile name. But it's the username that becomes unique. Only one person in the world can get that username, and it's distinguished by the @ symbol, the @ or the username or the handle. So I was lucky to get both. Now, the mistake I see is people, yes, put their own name or business name, and when they try and get a little bit cute here with their username, you're wanting to get them, I suppose, as close as matching as possible, to match you, your business or brand, try and avoid numbers and letters and things like that. So just as a couple of examples over here on the right that Twitter is suggesting to me. So World of Statistics, and they've gone with a username or a handle of stats_feed. Now, maybe that's all that they were able to get. Harvard University's just gone straight with Harvard, and that makes sense. This is a good one. Celeste Ganderson, that's obviously her name. She's gone with a handle of Celeste088. So, if possible, try and avoid the numbers. But yeah, people get to recognize you if you do have a bit of profile. Maybe she could have gone with Celeste Gand, Gand, that type of thing. So you do need to get creative. One of the things here with your username is you only get 15 character spaces. So we might need to get very creative and short and sharp and straight to the point. But that's a mistake I see a lot of people aren't aligning and setting themselves up as best as they could be. Which brings us on to mistake number 2. And mistake number 2 is all about the information we include in our bio section. Now, the copy, the words that I've just highlighted here. Now, first up, you get limited to 160 character spaces. So again, we need to get creative about that. Now, I'm about 5 or 6 character spaces short of 160. And if you try to add more, it just won't allow you to. It will tell you you're over. But the type of things that you're wanting to be, adding here in your bio, maybe your job title, some key industry words that people, can potentially find you if they're searching for those keywords. Maybe what you're best known for as well. If you have a presence in the media, sporting, in the online world, that type of thing. If you've been, on television, in the newspaper, social media, maybe add a benefit statement here like I've done. I'm the guy that makes social media for business owners easy. Add some emojis to bring it to life. And myself, I've even got a call to action with check out my YouTube channel, and I've got an arrow pointing down to the link. So, 160 character spaces, get creative, have a little bit of fun with it. Twitter is all about, less business-like and showing your personality more so. But that's a huge mistake I see most people make. They don't go anywhere near creating, an eye-catching, a scroll-stopping, engaging bio. So mistake number 3 all centers around the 2 image areas here that Twitter give us. Now, profile image, for most of you, you're going to put your own a photo of you. But if you're a business or a brand, you'd probably go with your logo like we see with Harvard and World of Statistics over here. But Celeste has got a picture of herself. So yeah, smiley photo of yourself, reflecting you, your business or brand, or just you as the individual. Now, most people don't take advantage though then of the banner image or cover image area. Now, as an individual on Twitter, okay, less likely or less need for you to do that. But if you're in business in any way, shape or form, or you're developing a presence online or a startup, take advantage of this, and don't just put an image of the skyline of the city that you're in, or your latest holiday photo or anything like that. Get creative with it. Maybe add a benefit statement like that. You can see I've done, making social media for business owners easy, and then the logo. So the idea of all of this, when someone lands on your Twitter profile, you're literally going to have seconds before they either scroll on and don't follow you, or they just click off and the opportunity will be lost. You're wanting, when people scan this whole area, to be in no doubt exactly who you are and what you do and how you help. So if possible, take advantage of and add a cover image as well. And the 4th mistake I see all too often, people just don't add a clickable link. Yes, Twitter will give you one clickable link here at the top of your bio or included in your bio section. Now, for a lot of you, that's going to be your website, or it could be a landing page or a special offer, or to an event. You could put the link. I've added my YouTube channel, and this has gone a long way from driving people from Twitter over onto my YouTube channel, resulting in nearly 30,000 subscribers to my YouTube channel over the last few years. So take advantage of that. Yeah, maybe link it to one of your social website, an event landing page, but most people aren't even doing it, and they wonder why they're not getting cross promotion, across their other online presences. So the fifth mistake I want to highlight in this particular video, this whole top area is your bio. It all comes together. Now, I'm wanting you to pin a post right at the top. So underneath your bio, I'm wanting you to pin a post. Now, again, I'm directing people to my YouTube channel, and I'm saying, don't forget to check out my YouTube channel for hundreds of social media for business videos. So it's right at the top of my profile. So whenever anyone lands on my profile, if they scroll down, they are going to see this straight away. And then they can scroll further and start seeing some of my tweets that I've been sending out as well. Now, of course, you can change this as you go through the year and the seasons, that type of thing. But hey, pin your best tweet right at the top of your profile. So again, when someone lands on you, they're going to have a look at your bio. They're going to scroll down here straight away. And before you know it, they might have clicked the follow button and you've gained a new follower. So there we go, 5 areas that I see all too often that people are making mistakes with on their Twitter bio section. What I'd like you to do is go to the comments. Let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. And as I said at the start, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching it there. Let me know where you're tuning in from around the world. Have a great day.